What's the difference between negative mass and antiparticles? Well, antiparticles are antimatter, and antimatter is essentially just matter, but with certain properties flipped. One of those properties is charge. But like, antimatter still has a positive mass. In fact, it acts pretty much like normal matter does, except if it interacts with matter, then it annihilates. Negative mass, on the other hand, is just that. We identify it as exotic matter. It has these exotic properties, which we just have not seen in reality. If it exists, it doesn't annihilate. Like, I could touch it. It would be hard to, though, because it would be repelled by me. Positive mass has gravitational attraction, negative mass has gravitational repulsion. And it's in fact because of that property that a lot of physicists say it would be absurd if it existed. Because let's say that there was a mass, the same size as me, but made out of negative mass. I would be attracted to it, but it would be repelled away from me. Which means with no forces acting on it, it would move forward away from me, and I would move toward it, which would make it move forward, which would make me move toward it, and we would just keep moving and keep accelerating. And that would only be due to the force of gravity, because it's bending space-time in one way, and I'm bending space-time in another. And that is a scenario that most physicists scientifically call really fucking stupid. Hence, this is not something that the laws of our reality, that the laws of physics necessarily say is impossible, but most physicists call it absurd. Because we haven't found any evidence of it, and if we did find evidence of it, it would be a big what the fuck moment.